provided that any advances or loans which are guaranteed by the government may
provided
be made
that
without
any
advances or
specific
loans
security,
which are
the selling
guaranteed
and
by the
realization
government may
of
be made
proceeds
without
of
any
sale of
specific
any
security,
security,
promissory
the selling
notes,
and
realization
participation
of
term
proceeds of sale,
certificates,
of
any
stock,
such
receipts,
promissory notes,
bonds,
participation
annuities,
term
stocks,
certificates, shares,
stock, receipts,
securities or
bonds,
goods, which,
annuities,
or the
stocks,
documents,
shares,
shares, securities or goods, which,
to which,
or the
have been
documents
deposited
of
with,
or
titled,
pledged,
to which, have been
hypothecated
deposited
assignment
with,
or
or
transferred
pledged,
to the bank as security for such advances,
hypothecated
loans,
assignment
or
credited
transferred to the
credits,
bank
or
as
which
security
are
for
held by
such
the
advances,
bank,
or
loans,
over which the
or
bank
credited
is
credits,
entitled to
or
any
which
lien
are held by
or
the bank,
charge,
or over
in
which the
respect
bank
of
is
any such
entitled
advance
to
of
any
loan or
lien,
credit
or
any debt,
charge
or claim
in
of the
respect
bank
of,
any such
and
advance
which
of
have
loan
not
or
been
credit or any
redeemed
debt
in
or
due
claim
time in
of the bank,
accordance with the
and
terms and
which
conditions
have not been in such
redeemed
deposit,
in due time
pledge,
in accordance with the terms
hypothecation,
and conditions,
assignment or
in
transfer
such
the
deposit,
advancing,
pledge,
and leading of money,
hypothecation,
course of words
assignment,
upon the
or
security
transfer
of
the
estates
advancing
in
their
and
charge,
leading of
or
money,
under the
course of words
superintendence
upon the
and
security
the
of
realization
estates
of such
in their
advances
charge
or
or
loans,
under
and
the
any interest
superintendence
due
and
thereof,
the
provided
realization
that
of
no
such advance
or
loans
loan
and any
shall be
interest
made without
due thereof,
previous
provided
section
that
of the
no
government,
such advance
the drawing
or loan
accepting
shall be made
without
previous
disconnecting,
section of the
buying
government,
and
selling
the drawing
of bills
accepting,
of exchange and other negotiable
disconnecting,
securities, buying
para.
and
The
selling
investing
of bills
of the funds
of
of the
exchange
bill
and other negotiable
or
securities,
in,
or
para.
the
underwriting
underwriting
of the
any
funds of the bill,
stock funds,
in,
shares,
or
or
securities,
the underwriting
participation
of
any
term
certificates,
stock
bonds,
and
shares,
other securities, for money issuance by a
term
public limited
certificates,
company,
bonds,
or any
and
other
corporation
securities
established
for money
by
issuance
or
by
under
a
any
public limited company
law,
or
for
any
the time
corporation
being
established
or
by
under the
or
authority
under any of the government or
law,
the State
for
Bank
the
of
time
Pakistan,
being
in
converting
or
and
under the
covering the
authority
same
of the
into money
government
when
or the State Bank
required,
of Pakistan,
converting
and covering the same
alternating
into money
when
and transposing
required,
any such investment
and
for or into any other
alternating
of such
and
investment, transposing any
issuing
such
of
letters
investment
of credit
for or
the buying
into any
and
other
selling
of
of such
gold
investment
and
silver, issuing
whether
of letters
coined
of credit,
or
the
uncoined,
buying
the
and selling
receiving
of gold and
deposits
silver,
and keeping
whether
cash
counts
coined
on
or
such terms,
uncoined,
the
as
receiving
may
of
be agreed on
deposits
the
and
acceptance
keeping
of the
cash
charge
counts
of
on
pledge,
such terms,
as may be
jewels,
agreed on the
title
acceptance
deeds
of the
or
charge
other
of pledge,
valuable good on such terms as may
jewels,
be agreed on,
title
deeds,
the managing,
or other
sealing
valuable
and
good on
risk,
such terms as may be
releasing
agreed
of
on,
all
property,
the
whether
managing, sealing
movable
and
or immovable,
risk,
which may in
releasing
any
of
way
all
come into
property,
the possession
whether
of the bank, movable or immovable,
or
which
part
may in any way
of
come
any
into
of
the
its
possession
claims,
of the bank,
and
acquisitions
satisfaction
and including
or part
and of any
journal
of its claims, and
the dealing with,
acquisitions and including
any right, title
and
or
journal
interest
in any property movable
the
or
dealing
immovable,
with,
which
any
may
right,
be bank
title
security
or
for
interest
any
in
advance
any
or
property
loan
movable
or may
or
be
immovable,
connected
which
with any
may be
such
bank
security
security,
for
provided
any
that
advance
the bank
or loan
shall
or
not
may be
take over
connected
the
with
management
any
of
such
any
security,
such
provided
property
that the
except
bank
in
shall
pursuance
not
of
take
any
over the
agreement
management
with the
of
debtor
any such
or of
property
an
order
except in pursuance
judgment
of
of
any
any
decree
agreement with the debtor
of
or
a court of
an
competent
order,
jurisdiction,
judgment
the
of
transaction
decree
of
pecuniary
a court of
agency
competent
business
jurisdiction, the
commission
transaction
and
of
entering into
pecuniary
contracts of
agency
indemnity,
business on
suretyship
commission and
or
the entering into
guarantee
contracts
with
of
specific
indemnity
security,
or otherwise, and
suretyship
the
or
underwriting, participating
guarantee with
in
specific
and carrying
security
out
or
of the
otherwise,
issue
of
and the
any stock,
underwriting,
shares,
participation
in
term
and carrying out of
certificates
the
and
issue
other
of any
securities,
stock,
the
shares,
administration of
participation
estates
term
for any
certificates
purpose
and
full
other
stop. Securities, the administration